Are you frustrated with your iPhone not rotating when you turn it? Do you want to make sure that your screen is always in the correct orientation? In this video, I will show you how to easily enable screen rotation on your iPhone. I'll walk you through each step so that you can follow along. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. For some iPhones, you might have to swipe up from the bottom edge of your screen to open the Control Center. Once you have the Control Center opened up, you'll see that there is an icon that looks like a padlock with an arrow around it. When that icon is red, the portrait orientation lock is on, which means that if you turn your phone on its side, the screen will remain in portrait mode and will not rotate. So if you want to enable the screen rotation of your iPhone, simply tap on that. And now that icon is white, and the portrait orientation lock is off, which means when you turn your phone on its side, it will go into landscape mode. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.